In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to deal with Theorem of Pythagoras. So here's the triangle PQR. Find PQ if PR and RQ are given. So now, what you can do here is use the Theorem of Pythagoras. So the Theorem of Pythagoras says a hypotenuse squared is equals to adjacent squared plus opposite squared. So in our case, hypotenuse is PQ. So we're going to say PQ squared is equivalent to PR squared plus RQ squared. So now, remember we need to find PQ, not PQ squared. So we need to write it on the left hand side. So our PR is 5x minus 4. So we need to square it. 5x minus 4 all squared plus RQ squared. What is RQ? RQ is the square root of 80x, and you square everything. So now you need to simplify. So now let's try to remove this. So we can take this side, so that we can get enough space to simplify. So now we need to simplify this expression. So this one is equivalent to 5x minus 4 times 5x minus 4 plus the square root of 80x times square root of 80x. So 5x times 5x is equals to 25x squared. And 5 times negative 4 is minus 20x. 4 minus negative 4 times positive 5 is minus 20x as well. So negative 4 times negative 4 is plus 16. So here we see that we have a square root which is multiplying each other, which are multiplying each other. So remember, in the laws of radicals, the square root of a times square root of a is a. So in our case, we'll have that 80x, square root of 80x times square root of 80x will give us positive 80x. Now, what we can do here is to simplify. We collect like terms. So here, 25x squared minus 20x minus 20x is minus 40x. So I can take this plus 8 here, plus 16. Minus 40 plus 80x is plus 40x and plus 16. So now, we need to write PQ squared so that we don't forget. So now what we can do here is to factorize. Here you can see that the first term of this quadratic equation is a perfect square, and also the last term of this quadratic equation is the perfect square. So the perfect square of 25 is 5x. 5x squared is 5x. And the perfect square for 16 is 4. So we can square everything. So now we need to find PQ squared. PQ. So in our case, let's try to take this one up. So in our case, we can take the square root both sides. So the square root of pq squared and the square root of 5x plus 4. The square root of pq squared is pq. And the square root of 5x plus 4 all squared is 5x plus 4. So this one is the length of PQ. So 5x plus 4, it is the length of PQ.